There are many reasons why patients would use beard hair as a transplant source for hair transplantation to the head. First, the donor site of the head is something that is limited. It's like having a bank account. So with this bank account, we are trying to take resources from that account, and this being one account, and moving it into the donor area. So essentially, if this donor site is not able to provide the needed number of grafts, then we go to other bank accounts. And the best one is the beard. The beard has very similar characteristics to the head hair from a growth rate standpoint. It grows at the same rate as head hair, and has extra volume, which actually provides more coverage per graft. Beard extraction should be more commonplace, but unfortunately it's not. We're one of the few offices that specializes in beard to head transplantation, and we do it frequently. And I've been doing beard to head transplantation since 2013, so I have a vast experience doing this. Beard to head transplantation might be the way to go, so schedule a consultation to see if you're a candidate.